Better late than never. We've got the GoPro 10 here. Today we're going to unbox this, see what we get in this special bundle from GoPro. They've done a special offer recently. I will link it in the description down below if you want to go and grab one of these for yourself. In this kit we've got the selfie stick, we've got an extra battery, and we've got the clip. I think that's for live streaming and using it as a webcam on your laptop screen. So let's get this open. They also send you an SD card, which is a nice little touch. I've been meaning to get another one of these, so we'll get into the GoPro and see what it's all about. I love having new tech. I don't know about you, let me know in the comments down below if you like new tech as well. Now, I didn't upgrade this originally because I had the GoPro 9 at the time, and this was like an incremental upgrade. It wasn't something that really excited me at the time, but watching other videos on the internet, it's just made me want to get it. And I've got the Insta360 ONE X2, which I've just done a video about recently, and I'm going to make a video comparing this GoPro 10 to that. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe down here, press the bell so you don't miss that upload. Okay, cool kit. These boxes that it comes in come in really handy. These fit in most camera bags. It's like a nice size, so we'll get the paperwork out of the way first. You get sort of the instructions here and some stickers, which is cool. We need a new sticker on the shelf. Let's check out the mounts. Okay, we get a nice new mount with this rubber stopper. Now, if you don't use the mounts with the rubber stopper, I fully recommend that you use the proper GoPro ones, because this just adds another layer of security when you've got it on top of the car or something, for instance. You don't want it flying off. I always use the original ones because they're the best. You can get the cheap ones off the internet, but use them at your own risk. We've got two screws. Okay, we've got two mounts in this, one longer stalk and one shorter stalk, so that's cool. You didn't used to get two, I'm pretty sure, in previous GoPros. They've started giving you a lot more kit for your money these days, which is brilliant. We've got the clip. Okay, what's that? Oh, that is the charging cable. You can never have too many charging cables. USB-C, as always, USB-A to USB-C, but USB-C nevertheless for that fast charging, theoretically. Okay, so this is the, I'm pretty sure that's the clip, or is this a cap clip I can put on my cap? Maybe it is. That's pretty cool. So you can sort of clip that on all sorts of stuff, and it's got a nice, it's really strong actually. That spring is really strong, and it's got the nice rubber grips in the middle to help you. Flipping egg, that is strong. So I'm going to be using that. Haven't got one of these. That's a bonus. Let's get rid of the rubbish. Two batteries from GoPro. GoPro, are you feeling generous this year? What's going on? £389 for this bundle, and it was the same price as buying the standalone GoPro on its own. You get all these accessories, two batteries, the clip, the tripod, and the extra stuff in here with the camera, of course, for the same price. So it's a no-brainer. Let's get these batteries out. Two GoPro batteries. That means I've got four in total now. Behave yourself. Wow, the tripod's tiny. Got a bit of paper around it. I didn't realise it was this small. I've never had one of these GoPro mini tripods either. Does it just, oh, it just pulls out. Okay, so it's, I mean, it's plastic, it's cheap. It's probably the same sort of build quality as you'd buy from a cheaper brand off Amazon. So, I mean, it's okay. It's got the metal. It's got a metal screw there for the mount, which is good. That's nice. No cold shoe mount. Very basic, but nevertheless, it's an accessory for free. And then the GoPro itself. Let's get this bad boy out of here, because get rid of the rubbish, man. Get rid of the rubbish. Finally, I mean, you can see it on this camera over here. Finally, we've got the GoPro 10 with the new blue logo on there, which is a nice change. It makes it stand out. Everybody knows that you've got the GoPro 10 because you've got that blue logo on there. So you can be a snob. Let's take the plastic off. Woo! And another one. And the one on the front, the main screen. Cool. I'm a little bit disappointed that the screen on the back of the GoPro 10 wasn't bigger. There was some rumours that the screen was going to be a bit bigger. We have got that GP2 processor in there. It feels a little bit... I've just gone to say it feels lighter, but the battery's not in here. Let's put the battery in. Right, we've got some battery. Let's just set this up. I don't want GPS on. Does feel like it's a lot more responsive. We'll need to turn off that beep, but yes, swiping left and right does feel a lot better. So that's great news. Like I said, if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe, because we're going to be doing a video on this. We're doing some different videos comparing it to different action cameras. We've got plenty on the way, plenty of stuff to do, lots of ideas. And that is pretty much it for this quick video. The GoPro 10 unboxing. GoPro 10 versus Insta360 coming soon. So like I said, do stay tuned. And I'm impressed with this little box. We've got all the stuff in here, tripod, clip, all the different mounts. I've got the max lens mod as well in here, so we're going to keep that in there, spare battery. Get these things charged and do some testing over the next few weeks. So yeah, that's it for this video. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. I shall see you on the next video. See you soon, guys. Bye.
Yeah.